Thank you for purchasing SnoFlock. Here is a quick how-to video to help you make your holidays more magical. When the package arrives, cut open the box carefully. Gather a few basic materials. You'll need a spray bottle, warm water, dust mask, and some safety protection. Generously mist desired areas with warm water. Warm water helps activate the adhesive in our product. Half-fill kitchen sifter with SnoFlock and hold it in one hand, with the spray bottle in the other hand. Spray the falling powder. You must spray the powder as it's falling. Once desired look is achieved, give a good misting of water to set the adhesive. Don't oversaturate. Allow to dry before decorating. Please don't throw powder onto the tree. For best results, apply as instructed.